Hello and welcome to this video, friends. If you're wishing for an ideal weight, lose unwanted fat, and improve body composition, then please take a look at the science-based method presented within the video. Let's begin by clarifying what calories are. It is the amount of heat required at a pressure of 1 atmosphere to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degrees. Calories are used as a unit to quantify energy consumed as food and beverages within our diet. And if we have a specific goal of losing, maintaining, or gaining weight, caloric manipulation plays an important role. If calorie consumption exceeds expenditure, weight gain happens. And if the consumption is lower than the expenditure, weight loss happens. If consumption and expenditure is balanced, weight is maintained. For any of these situations, we want to keep up the aesthetic looks and improve the body composition as well. No one wants to lose weight and look unwantedly skinny and feel weak while doing the daily routines. So how many calories should we consume? There is a 3-step formula to get your answer. Step 1 is to calculate the BMR, that is the basal metabolic rate. BMR means how many calories are needed for a person when he or she is at a normal resting condition, even when you are not active. This is important to know your current calorie needs, and this formula is based on gender, and by adding your weight, height and age into it, you can easily calculate your BMR. For example, a 43 years old man weighing 72 kilograms and 178 centimeter tall will require 1662 calories a day, and for a woman who is 38 years old weighing 55 kilograms having a height of 164 centimeters will require 1224 calories a day. If you find it complex to calculate this yourself, there are many free apps available. You can simply enter the weight, height and age and get it easily calculated. Do you know a cheese pizza having 6 slices of 100 gram each will give you 1700 calories at once, and that is sometimes more than the total calories needed for an entire day. And you know, it's not just the pizza, but there are desserts, cold drinks, which all adds up, and it further makes it harder for an ideal weight management. Step 2 is to calculate the activity factor. Now that you know your BMR, we need to multiply this with an activity factor based on how physically active you are. Select the activity level which best describe you from this table and then multiply it with your BMR. Let's take the previous example. If the same person is a moderately active man, then we will multiply his BMR, which we calculated as 1622 calories, with 1.55. And for the second case of a woman, if she is light active, then we multiply her BMR, which we calculated as 1224 calories before, with 1.375 as factor, which will get you 1683 calories. And this is the required calories to be consumed in order to maintain the same weight. Now that you know how much your body actually needs in general, comes the step number 3, where we modify the intake based on the individual needs. If you want to lose the body fat, then subtract 500 calories from the above total calculation. And if you want to gain mass, then add 300 calories to the above total calories. Especially for a sedentary person, the required calories for mass gain or fat loss are still very low. These calculations are a good starting point and are generally accurate. But sometimes body adapts to these different diets and to exercises and adjusts itself by down regulating the metabolic rate and burns calories at a slower rate. And some people show such signs that even after eating very low calorie diet, there is no further weight loss. And there are people who work out more and consume more, their metabolism still increases and they need to adjust by adding more calories to get the right mass gain. If above adjustments are not helping you to achieve further weight loss or mass gain, then we need to bring a difference of 200 calories more by adding or by reducing based on your actual goal. And here is the last and most important factor to consider. For any kind of progress to be visible, measurement is important, and in this case too, tracking calories by using weighing scale or a health tracker will assist you in achieving your goals efficiently. Many people underestimate how many calories they report, and the error can be up to 2000 calories. These tracking systems help you to be more aware of what you eat. It also helps you stay on track. There are many free applications available on mobile phones to instantly assist in understanding and increasing awareness. If you haven't used any of them, you will be amazed with the daily food entries you will make and the calories they add up each day. There are 3 key take-home messages for calorie measurements. Measure the food in its uncooked form, because cooking alters the weight of food. Use a proper measuring cup. Don't just rely rely on normal cups or use a digital scale for accurate measurement. Keep oils in control because they can easily result in exceeding your calorie target. Now, from where these calories are coming also makes a big difference in your goal setting. This table gives you an easy to understand macronutrient breakdown to be considered for your diet planning. The requirements for your body depends again on the physical activity you are able to perform. You might fit in this table from general fitness to extremely active person. The requirements for proteins, carbohydrates, and fats are precisely explained. The key message is measurement of what goes inside the body and how much active you are in terms of physical activity. You can also take a look at other videos on the channel where healthy food choices and good sources of proteins, fat, and carbohydrates are discussed. These are science-based and proven calculations. With proper implementation, it's absolutely possible to achieve any fitness level you want to achieve. With this, we come to an end to this video, friends. And if you like such content, then please do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Stay fit and healthy. Here is Amitoza signing off, and see you in the next video.